In the United States, an information security analyst earns about $360,000, and in India, about 30 lakh rupees per annum.
10 jobs that pay surprisingly well. Welcome back to Limitless Luxury, guys. Today we are sharing the 10 jobs that pay surprisingly well in 2021. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more. Here we begin. Number 10. Information Security Analyst. An information security analyst is responsible for securing computer networks in businesses. They ensure computer systems by installing security measures, investigating security breaches, documenting them, repairing vulnerabilities, and doing penetration testing. Having cybersecurity certificates will be pretty beneficial to you. An information security analyst earns around $360,000 per year in the United States. Number 9. RPA Developer. Professionals that invent, develop, and implement RPA systems are known as RPA developers. To boost efficiency, they put up automated processes. In addition, they investigate how RPA components such as bots, robots, and development tools are deployed. RPA developers have a diverse set of abilities and, ideally, a background in software development. They must be fluent in C++, .NET, and scripting languages. In the United States, RPA developers earn over $118,000 per year. Number 8. Mobile Application Developer. A mobile application developer studies and creates protocols and apps for the iOS and Android operating systems. They create user interfaces to enhance the user experience. They also work with the product development team to come up with new features to offer. Mobile application developers can make up to $230,000 with a few years of expertise in the United States. Number 7. Blockchain Developer. A blockchain developer is responsible for researching, designing, developing, and testing blockchain systems. They help to optimize blockchain protocols by constructing infrastructure and implementing security measures to protect against cyber attacks. In addition, blockchain developers create decentralized apps and oversee the network as a whole. Computer networking, cryptography, and data structures are all skills that a blockchain developer should have. Yet, a blockchain developer with only a few years of experience earns about $170,000 in the United States. Number 6. DevOps Engineer. DevOps engineers oversee code releases in collaboration with developers and the IT team. They write code and scripts to ensure that software is developed, integrated, and deployed promptly. They also run automated tests, deploy code, and keep track of it. Programming abilities are required of DevOps engineers. JavaScript, Python, Ruby, or Perl are all necessary. In addition, they must be able to work well with members of various teams. In the United States, experienced DevOps engineers can earn up to $800,000 per year. Number 5. Big Data Engineer. Over the last 10 years, big data has revolutionized every corporate industry. Engineers who work with the big data store, process, and analyze data. They create, design, test, and maintain an organization's significant data architecture. They should be familiar with Hadoop, Spark, RDBMS, and NoSQL. They must also be knowledgeable in data warehousing. In the United States, prominent data engineers make $300,000 per year. Number 4. Full Stack Developer. A full stack developer is a web developer who works on both the front and back ends of a site. They work on projects that need user-facing websites and collaborate with clients during the planning stage. You must be familiar with HTML and CSS to work as a full stack developer. JavaScript and its frameworks should also be second nature to you. In addition, you should be comfortable with server-side programming languages such as Ruby, PHP, Python, and .NET. Number 3. Cloud Architect. A cloud architect is an information technology professional who manages a company's cloud computing system and creates cloud application designs. To guarantee that the correct technology is built, cloud architects collaborate with DevOps engineers and developers. They should also be familiar with cloud computing technologies such as AWS, Azure, and GCP. They must also be knowledgeable with platforms like Kubernetes and Docker and programming languages like Java, Python, and C#. A skilled cloud architect can earn almost $240 in the United States. Number 2. Product manager. Product managers are extremely valuable because they are in charge of an organization's product development. They are in order of a product's success and improvement. They are the brains behind a product's business tactics. Product managers must be strategic thinkers who are familiar with data, business skills, and market trends. In terms of their industry, they must be technically sound. Product managers can make up to $250,000 in the United States. Number 1. Data scientist. A data scientist is a professional who understands and analyzes data using various statistical methodologies, data analysis tools, and machine learning to reach critical business findings. A data scientist must be familiar with Microsoft Excel, SQL, and other spreadsheet programs and programming languages such as Python, R, and Java. They must also be knowledgeable with Apache Hive, Pig and Spark in machine learning, and deep learning techniques. In the United States, a data scientist with some expertise can earn up to $800,000 per year. So that's all. Stay tuned for more.